introduce yourself and your role in the welding industry?
Yes, my name is Stefano Michieletto. I'm the Managing Director of voestalpine Böhler Welding Asia Pacific. I'm Italian and I've been working in the welding industry since the beginning of my professional career, which means more than 20 years now.
What is your most beautiful or emotional moment when you think about customer relations?
When I think about customer relations, one of the most emotional moments is definitely when you win and you get an order or a project because you have provided an added value to your customer by supplying unique tailored solutions for the required applications. It is also when I think your customer is asking about you and your company because with you and your company he finds the answer to satisfy his needs. It is also when you realize you've got partners which are working and distributing UTP products and solutions since more than 40 years. In the Asia Pacific region, if I think we've got one partner working with us since 57 years. Upstream and downstream oil and gas business is one of the main segments that we predominantly and successfully supply thanks to our nickel-based products suitable for corrosion surface protection. Recently, one of our big and long-term customers has been awarded by Qatargas to the NFPS project, which is one of the world's biggest non-associated natural gas projects located in the northeast part of Qatar. And voestalpine Böhler Welding is happy to confirm that has won the supply of big volumes of our UTP 6222MO, which is our nickel-based thick electrode used for girth welding of riser line and subsea pipelines, which are internally cladded with our 625 alloy. One of the biggest challenges in winning the project has been the prerequisite in stringent condition that we have successfully matched and satisfied thanks to our in-house UTP data available and our in-depth knowledge in corrosion resistance protection. Over the years, we have also been developing an excellent long-term relationship with our customer, and nowadays we are enjoying the success in business thanks to the tailored products and the unique solutions that has been created and developed in collaboration with our UTP global team.
What do you think sets UTP apart from other companies in the industry?
Well, I think that UTP sets apart from other companies in the industry for various reasons. Basically, the first one I would say is the constant development of new material. So UTP provides an in-depth solution for every single industry thanks to the close collaboration that we got with our key customers. The second one is the consistency in all aspects. So we make sure that our UTP products are the most consistently performing consumables in the industry. More than 60 years of experience in surface protection has contributed over the years to an in-depth know-how in manufacturing and application technology. Last but not the least, the best products and solutions for cost optimization and increased productivity.
Can you tell us about a new or existing UTP product or solution that you find exciting?
Yes, UTP adds a new dimension to the productivity of the surfacing technology with new solution for single layer of alloy 625 with reduced clad layer thickness and increased travel speed. It results in cutting down the production timing and of course increase the productivity.
What do you think are some of the biggest challenges facing the welding industry today?
I think one of the biggest challenges that we are facing and we will face in the next 5 to 10 years is the difficulty in finding knowledgeable and skilled welders. In addition, cost optimization and increased productivity is one of the key requirements of our customers as the welding market is becoming more competitive. These are all big challenges that we can definitely address by shifting from manual welding to automatic welding, which is where I think the welding business will go in the next 5 to 10 years.
How is UTP adapting to these changes?
Well, UTP is adapting to the different changes coming over the years from the market by adding new UTP products to the regional manufacturing plants to become more competitive and cater the demand of our customer. In addition, UTP is also developing unique tailored solutions, so-called full welding solutions, which are including automation and digitalization to satisfy the most difficult challenges in the market. Last but not the least, customer centricity. Our customer success is our success.